What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here with the homies Juan Mario, Flaco in the building. As you guys saw in the clip art, this thing's gonna be super sick, guys. This is actually the first time I'm gonna witness this in person. I always seen these type of things at rich garages. Start this video, big shout out to every single subscriber who keeps subscribing to our channel. It's so amazing how much subscribers we've been getting in the past 2 months. We got like over 100 subscribers, so that's pretty dope. We're heading to 1,200 subscribers, and it seems like it's going to be pretty quick, you know what I'm saying? In this video right here, I want you to pause it and let me know what you guys think is going to happen, if we're going to have a fail or we're going to get it done today. You know what I'm saying? So grab some popcorn, chillax, because it's about to go down. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can tell by the quality of the video, but we upgraded a camera. So hopefully we'll be streaming this on 4K in the building.
Is it 4K?
Yeah, it's 4K.
Damn.
So this is a big upgrade for us. You know, thanks to my wife for hooking me up for Christmas, an early Christmas present, you know, so I really appreciate that.
All right, guys, what we got here, it's the QuickJack bl7000 series. So this can lift up to 7,000 pounds. So this is kind of the competition of the 2-post lift. That's 5,000 over there, yeah. Just to get a glimpse, you know.
Dude, look at this! Looks so sick on this camera, guys. Oh my gosh, that looks so mystical.
Oh, it does look good.
Look at that.
All right, guys. So I picked this up at Home Depot for Black Friday for $12.50 before tax. I also bought a couple more attachments. So with everything, it turned out to be like $1,500 shipped. So I mean, I couldn't pass this deal on. So gotta cop it. You know what I mean?
Damn. Would you look at that, guys?
Guess you can use like this as a hand.
It has wheels on it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hydraulic pump.
3-pump setup?
3 pumps.
The hydraulic hoses.
Damn. Is there a safety mechanism on this thing?
Yeah. Because it has 2 locking points. You can see right here. See this?
Ooh.
So
Now I'm interested.
So when you raise it up, and when you want to lock it into place, just basically depressurize it. When you depressurize it, it will lock into these locking positions.
Nice. That's pretty dope. Yeah, it's a big plus for me. So this right here, guys, is the pump that's gonna be controlling the system.
So we gotta fill this pump with oil and cycle it through the system and bleed the hydraulic cylinders. And then before we do that, we gotta add air, about 40 to 50 psi on the air cylinders. What that does is it helps puts pressure on the hydraulic system, so it can help it move down, you know. Because if you don't have any air pressure, it's just gonna stay locked in the up position. So it just that'll help it.
That's pretty badass.
Bring it down. So, all right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add air to the air cylinders on these 2 jacks to about 50 psi. So we'll do that right now to start it.
Appreciate you guys for joining us. You know, it's pretty bad outside, foggy, icy, and yeah, I can't wait for summertime because my car's gonna come out and it's gonna come out swinging. But we got Omar in the building. If you guys have any questions for him, make sure to leave them in the comments down below.
Baby, that's some questions.
He just had a baby too, so
How many kids you got?
yeah.
Got 4, bro. I got 4, bro.
Damn. He's only 22 years old.
22. 26.
It's like 30 pounds.
He's gonna hit the right spot. Recommended.
That's good right there. I got 44.
So it seems like that little cylinder is not getting any air. And Flaco's already stressing. Like you guys already know, when you guys are doing work in your garage, nothing ever goes 100% well. There's always some shitty thing happening.
A 10-minute project will turn into a 3-hour.
For real, bro. I'm just super hyped with the quality, guys. Tell me how my face looks on the quality.
Take it off.
Tell me if I look realistic. You know what I'm saying?
This looks like a different size, bro.
Is it?
Give me a rate, please. 1 to 10.
Fit on that. So they need to be facing a little bit upward, according to the video.
So now we're putting the hoses on, guys.
Do I need to shove it? All right, so now we're gonna put thread sealing on these, on the end of the short hydraulic hose.
Some automatic transmission fluid going in the pump here. Blading the cylinders, and it says in the book, gotta put the blocks under this thing, and you gotta move it up and down. Okay, so now we're gonna hook up the hydraulic hoses to the pump by the quick disconnect hoses on it that I got. It should be pretty easy plug and play stuff here, guys, but you guys, in order, before you guys use this stuff, you guys gotta make sure you guys bleed it. All right, guys, we're about ready to press the button. Watch this thing move or something.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
We're ready. You guys ready?
Let's get it.
You need to feed them more.
Ooh.
Keep feeding them.
So lift them up right before the first lock one.
Ooh. He's gargling.
Stay tuned, find out what happens when we lift this guy's car up today. You guys are gonna see that on this video. Hopefully it goes as planned. Hopefully the car doesn't tip over or something because he has no insurance.
I got full coverage.
So if you guys want to see this thing on work, stay tuned in the video, guys, and make sure you hit the like button. Let's get it, boys.
Is it hot?
All right, guys, what we're gonna do here, we gotta take off the bleeder screw, and then we have to hit the button, raise it up until there's no air coming out of those things. Once you unscrew it, unscrew it a little bit,
2 seconds. That's it.
and then you'll hear a little bit of air coming out. Close it, and then press the button, press the up button for like 2 seconds, and then you're gonna do the same while it's up like that, and then you're gonna repeat it onto the other one. But that's how you bleed all the air out of that cylinder. There, so you guys hear it. Cylinders are bleeded,
Just lift
and
it.
now we're gonna test it up and down.
Just lift, let's try. Looking at the video.
All right, guys, we're about to
This
move
is the
these
left.
QuickJacks
That's the
This
left.
is the right.
towards the car over there. The moment you guys been waiting for.
Right, yeah, so this one goes
We're gonna see that thing get lifted.
I don't even know. Yeah, I'm gonna pinch it. Hurry up, it's heavy.
They're gonna be, you don't want.
Well, let's see how far we get.
Back here,
be enough.
back here, you're fine.
You see how this is like normal block, right?
Yeah.
Well, check these attachments. Pinch welds
Let's put
to
the.
put it in the center.
Oh shit. Pretty dope.
These are
So I want the mobility on these things.
Yeah, you can tell I'm fucking out of breath. They're pretty heavy. They're 100 pounds. They're probably 100 pounds each. But the good thing they have wheels, so that helps a little bit.
We're gonna put the QuickJacks under the car, adjust the blocks where they need on the frame, and once we get that, once we hook it up, we hook up the system, the lines, and all that. We'll get right back at you guys. All right, guys, let's get it. I guess I'm the button boy.
Crosswise.
So
Yeah. I already flipped the back.
here it goes. You guys ready?
Just go up barely.
Here it goes. First click. Go. Getting lifted. Ooh. Ooh.
So right there is probably like the first height. That's already pretty high.
Yeah.
And now let's go to the second height. Creeps, you look at the locking arms, Creeps. It's almost to the
Ooh.
okay, right now it passed it, so now I depressurize it for at least 6 seconds. See, boom, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now it's basically depressurized with it locked.
That's just pretty high.
Sick. Big Smoky, you got a good video.
Let me know what you guys think about these QuickJacks, bro. These things are so sick.
That's sick.
Look at this, guys.
Alright, going in, first try.
Throw them in there.
Ready?
This guy has enough space.
So the creeper, like, this creeper probably gives me like about 8-10 inches away from the part. Without the creeper, I'm sure it'll give us plenty more space.
Yes. Sauce.
It's leaking, boy.
Okay, so the pinch black is gonna leaking from somewhere.
We can basically remove our quick fittings.
Just find the spot.
And we can
just leave it.
This guy's gonna do the shake test, whatever that thing is called.
no,
I've never heard of it, but
Talking in the car, I'm starving.
people like turn their cars on and like start shifting gears like this.
Well, the dyno's already set up.
it's dyno right now, bro.
How's it look?
Sick. Do you feel like one of those little toy cars you see outside the markets?
Oh, yeah.
And it moves up and down like this? Huh? Remember the little ponies and shit?
Go this high. We're just pretty freaking high. Surprised the hell out of me.
Damn.
I wish you can go a little bit higher.
No, my man.
Alright guys, there you guys have it. QuickJack installation. Unbox review right here too. So far so good. We're impressed. It goes up about almost 3 feet up.
Yeah.
It gives you enough clearance on the bottom to do any type of work you want to do under the car.
$1,200 for that.
$1,200, so you guys get this setup right here, and I think it's pretty fucking badass. But it goes up 18 inches. 18 inches was clarified by Flacco right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's gonna be nice and short, but this is a pretty good upgrade, pretty cool upgrade for the garage here. And if you guys are looking into this stuff, QuickJack is the way to go.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Especially for a small garage, small space, you know.
All right, guys. You guys already know what to do. Smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe down below. Hit up the notification button so you never miss another Stan Status video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the QuickJacks. And also let me know how the quality on the new camera is. You know what I'm saying? Check out Omar right now. Tell me how he looks in the camera with the quality. Well, this is it for the video. Thank you guys for staying tuned, watching all the way to the end. I appreciate every single one of you who do that. You got Flacco SRT4 in the building. Mamba 509.
Yep.
Minty SRT. Make sure to follow her on Instagram. Have a safe weekend. Stay positive. Stay safe. And like that, guys, we're out.
Yeah.
Peace.